Why did I join the eCommerce evening today? I think it's a perfect match. For eBay, DIY home and garden is the biggest category. C-suite, cross-border events are the best locations for connecting with brands, with retailers from all over Europe. So this is like a perfect match and we need to be here. And Karine just called me and asked me to come over. My experience so far, so I've been on events last year, and on DIY, it's really great that those brands and retailers are so open and they are so eager to learn and to expand their range. So brands and retailers are open to have a open and honest chat on opportunities, and this is what I really like. Those pitches were really great. So Honza, great pitch and a great win for you. Yeah, so our cross-border challenges in Europe, like so you have so many brands, so many retailers sitting in Spain, in Portugal, in Poland, in the Ukraine, and connecting this is the biggest challenge. So we want all those people selling on our platforms, and the challenge is to find a way to connect and have a platform to have a good conversation and a smooth onboarding into the European markets.